Text 1717. Icons, equal housing opportunity. An 8-story brick building has balconies and large windows. The lobby has casual seating, an office desk, dining table, and tile herringbone-patterned floor. The courtyard has a rectangle pool, chaise lounges, and trees. Casual seating looks out over other buildings. A common grill area has dining tables. Inside, a common room has casual seating and dining in front of a kitchen bar. A weight room has treadmills, weight machines, bikes, and free weights. A round brick patio fills a courtyard. In an apartment, light walls contrast with dark wood-look plank floors. Large windows surround an office alcove. The bedroom has light walls. The bathroom has dark cabinets and dual vanities. Outside, each apartment has a large balcony. A ground floor apartment opens to a patio. A combination living dining kitchen room has a breakfast bar of shiny speckled stone. Stainless appliances contrast with dark cabinets. The bedroom is carpeted and has a walk-in closet. The bathroom has a tub shower combo.